Hi, kids. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. You like my new guitar? Maybe if you're lucky, you can join our band, little one. I know I'm a hankering to kill you. Get some new band members. You seem like you'd make a great corpse. You seem like get filled worm food. You seem like you would make a great drummer. Oh, but I suppose it'll be hard to drum without any arms. You ever feel a knife pierce slowly into your flesh? Well, gosh. I guess there's a first time for everything. Come here, you little rascal, so I can torture you for hours and hours of fun.
There, kiddo. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. I'm Chica the Chicken. What's your name? Isabel, huh? Well, ain't you as cute as a button? I could just eat you right on up. I'm sure my friends Freddy and Bonnie would just love to watch you suffer. Meet you. Maybe I should take you to see Foxy the pirate so he can take a big chunk out of your melon fucking head. Good look at your cute little face. What's that, hon? You have to go? Well, that's no fun. For us. I guess this is goodbye then. You lucky little shit. Until next time.
Yes, until next time.
Never underestimate the cunning of a pirate. Or a fox, for that matter. You never stood a chance. I came for ye booty. That be treasure, you know. I can't run like I used to, but I can pull myself apart just fine. So much more spacious in here. I may stay a while.